guys. I just want to know a couple of things. First, are there any other veterans out here at the moment, other than myself? There's one there. Any more? No? Right. I'm going to put my number in the information tent so that any more veterans that do come down here, they will be able to contact me. I'm going to be looking at trying to establish some lessons on basic field hygiene, because I find that it is a concern. I've been around some of the places in the tents and there are a little bit, a few problems, so I will be putting up some lessons on that to help you out, and so you can learn and understand how to survive in the field, but also how to survive through the winter. And we'll get a list together of all the necessary resources that we will need for that. So if there are any more veterans that come down here, please send them to the information tent where they can collect my number, okay? Thank you.
Thank you. What a flag.
Good afternoon. Just in response